In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube subscribe link. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you want to send a link to someone with your channel, but you want them to instantly subscribe, you can do this method. So the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube. It's going to look something like this once you open it up. Then on the bottom right, you're going to see your profile icon, so just go ahead and click on that. Now, we need a link to our channel, so what you want to do is go ahead and view channel at the very top under your name. So just go ahead and click on that. Now all you want to do is on the top right, once you're on your channel, click those three little dots and then click share. So once you press share, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to go ahead and copy link. Now that we've done and we've copied the link, you want to go out of YouTube and go to somewhere where you can just paste your link. So we're just going to go to notes right here, have a new note ready, and then just have your link, copy and paste it into there. And as you can see, my YouTube link is right there. So now all I want to do is write on that link, do question mark and then sub and then underscore confirmation and then an equal sign and then 1. So once you do those things, it's going to link to your thing. And then what you want to do whenever you send this to someone, send this entire thing. So you want to basically highlight everything. And then from there, all you want to do is send it to someone. And then as soon as they open it, they're going to be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like